everybody, thanks for joining us. I am here today with Michael Smith from Lone Star Mitigation to talk to us about the top 3 things you can do to prepare your home for winter. Okay, hey everyone, Megan Victor with the Megan Victor Group. Thanks for coming back for Maintenance Monday. I'm here today with my friend Michael Smith from Lone Star Mitigation. He comes highly recommended to me from my pest control guy and my carpet, floors, upholstery, epoxy guy, Darren Shoe. He is here today to talk to us about the top 3 things that we can do to prepare our homes for the winter season. Winter's come a little early this year, but we're going to hit a warm snap pretty soon. So when we hit the warm snap, we need to get going to prepare our homes for the rest of winter. Michael, thanks for coming in today. I appreciate it.
Thank you for having me, Megan.
Yeah.
Appreciate you having us on.
Well, let's hit it. Tell us what the 3 things we can do to prepare our home for winter are.
Absolutely. One of the first things we like to recommend you do in the fall is to caulk and seal all your windows and doors around the edges and the brick molding and stuff. That prevents water from getting in and potentially causing harm to your house. Another thing we like to do is actually replace the weather stripping at the bottom and sides and around your doors. That stuff's pretty cheap, it's easy to pull on and off. We would highly recommend that. And the third thing is really a no-brainer before your first freeze. Drain your hoses and put the foam covers over your spigot, your water spigots.
Okay, so where can we get the foam cover?
Spigots. Home Depot or Lowe's, all your hardware stores will carry those things.
Okay, wonderful. And do you recommend any particular caulk for
Generally an acrylic caulk for the outside. It's rated for the outside. That's going to be your best bet. That's paintable. I usually just go with white and paint it.
Awesome. That sounds easy enough. Well, Michael, thank you so much for coming in today and giving us our tips for getting our home ready for winter. Guys, Michael's information is going to be at the end of this video. It's also going to be down below, so check that out. Hit subscribe if you want to keep getting great tips on how to maintain your home. And if you need anything for real estate, I'm your girl. Have a great day. We'll see you later.